Directioners in love with Zayn? Your time has come. He's back on the market. Zayn Malik and Gigi Hadid have reportedly split up. The former One Directioner and in-demand model have ended their 7-month relationship, debuting together officially as a couple back in Zayn's first solo record video since leaving One Direction Pillow Talk, will now no longer be co-starring in life together. One fan poking fun of their relationship in the video in this tweet. The two were last seen together attending last month's annual Met Gala in New York City. Fans took to Twitter when they heard the sad news. Hashtag Zayn Gigi broke up? No, no, no. Zayn and Gigi broke up? Sad face, my heart, broken heart emoji. First Taylor and Calvin, now Zayn and Gigi, why? I guess biffs that stay together last forever, but why? Hashtag Taylor Swift, hashtag Swiftie, hashtag Zayn and Gigi. Fans seem much more cordial about this breakup versus Taylor Swift and Calvin Harris, who also confirmed their breakup earlier this week. Seems like breakup season is upon us in the land of make-believe. Who do you think may be next? I'm Elise Barker for Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.